A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping out the land boundaries, topography, and other features of a given area. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable company that offers professional land surveying services. With their expertise and experience, they have become a trusted name in the industry. As a land surveyor in Marathahalli, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precise measurements and accurate data. They use advanced equipment and technology to ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost precision. This attention to detail allows them to provide clients with reliable information that can be used for various purposes, such as land development, property transactions, and infrastructure planning. One of the key services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is boundary surveying. This involves determining the exact boundaries of a piece of land, which is essential for property owners, developers, and government agencies. By conducting thorough surveys, they can establish the legal boundaries and resolve any disputes or discrepancies that may arise. Their expertise in boundary surveying ensures that clients can have confidence in their land ownership. Another important service provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is topographic surveying. This involves mapping out the natural and man-made features of a piece of land, such as hills, rivers, buildings, and roads. Topographic surveys are essential for land development projects as they provide valuable information for designing infrastructure and determining the suitability of the land for various purposes. With their expertise in topographic surveying, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can help clients make informed decisions about their land use. In addition to boundary and topographic surveying, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers construction staking services. This involves marking out the precise locations of proposed structures or improvements on a piece of land. By accurately staking out the construction site, they ensure that the project is built in accordance with the approved plans and specifications. This service helps minimize errors and ensures that construction projects proceed smoothly. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality land surveying services. They understand that every project is unique and requires customized solutions. Their team of skilled land surveyors is dedicated to providing accurate data and reliable results to meet the specific needs of their clients. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable land surveying company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their expertise in boundary surveying, topographic surveying, and construction staking makes them a trusted partner for clients in the development and construction industry. With their focus on precision and professionalism, they continue to be a leading choice for land surveying services in the area. If you are in need of a land surveyor in Marathahalli, Bangalore, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd.